If you're on the hunt for the ultimate stick vacuum, let me introduce you to the LEVOIT VortexIQ. This is specifically meant for homes with pets, as it's designed to work very well with pet hair. It has a runtime of up to 50 minutes. It has a fantastic laser light. It can stand upright and it has exceptional suction, 80 air watts of suction. And I am gonna put all that to the test in this video. So let's get to it. Now, before I unbox it, I just want to point out a couple key items. The first one is the triple strike technology, that it is designed to eliminate hair wrap and tangles on the roller. It has a 2-year limited warranty, and I almost missed how important this is, which is such a big deal, and that's the 5-stage filtration with a HEPA filter. It has that HEPA filter, then it has a felt, foam, and metal filter, and then all of those work together with their strong vortex effect to really keep everything in the vacuum with really strong suction. Very cool overall. Let's open this up. The box itself has your quick assembly guide, basically walking through everything you need to know. And I am really excited about this vacuum. I'm very impressed with this brand in general. They make exceptionally high quality products that are very, very well thought out. So let's quickly go through all of these elements. To start off with, let's look at the accessories. You have your focused nozzle that then can turn into a focused bristle nozzle. Really nice bristles right here. Soft, but not too soft. And I love how long this is, as it just gives a lot more control without you having to get way into the corners. And then you have this 2-in-1 stubborn dirt tool. This is so nice. It has sturdier bristles, and so you can use it as a large bristle brush, but then you can actually pop open this top, and now you have the little lint elements, and this is really nice for getting pet hair off upholstery. It's going to vacuum and grab the pet hair as you go back and forth. So this is a really nice accessory that just goes together like that. Next up is the main vacuum head. Really nice turn ability. This also should snap into place so it can sit upright when you walk away. It's not gonna just fall over on you. It has the laser light on the front, and then on the bottom here, of course, you have the roller, and you can pop out the roller by pressing the button on the side, and then this actually rotates out, and this is such a nice roller. It has the rubbery and the more bristly sections to it, and it is really cool design. I'm not used to these having kind of larger, emptier sections, and I'm sure that's part of the VortexIQ element of this. And it also has kind of a larger opening to really get everything through there, not get anything stuck. But of course, if anything does collect on that, it's easy to remove as well. And then you have a short stick and a long stick, so you can use these separately or together to get you more length. The long stick is metal, really nice and pretty. Obviously has the power through it to power the bottom brush head. Now, I know this is really nice and convenient once you install it, but this one does have a wall connection to hang it, and you can charge it directly from the wall connection. It is on the bottom. So this is really nice if you are willing to drill something into your wall, but if not, have no fear, because you can also charge it directly on the vacuum cleaner itself. And since it sits upright, that means you really can put this wherever you want. So you have options. Now, for this element, it does have some heft to it when you're holding it on its own. So when you're using it with the focused nozzles, whether you have them connected to it directly or with a short stick, it has a little bit of weight, but it also feels exceptionally sturdy. You can see the very large power button, and you have the 3 modes: Eco, Standard, and Turbo. And that's basically it for that. And then for the base, you can press this button for it to empty itself out. And then you can also, of course, take apart the entire dustbin. Now, this has 5-stage filtration, and the first few stages are in the dustbin. You have this bit of felt You have the foam filter, then you can pop it open and you can pull out the metal filter, and then this is where it has the turbo suction, and that's going to be another form of filtration as it really keeps everything in the bin. And then finally, I'm gonna put this all together real quick first. You have one more filter in the top, and this is your HEPA filter. Now, all of these are washable. Just make sure you dry them completely before you put it back together. Now, one piece I really appreciate about this vacuum is that they actually give you a breakdown on that 50 minutes of runtime. That's only if you're using one of the accessories, the crevice tool or the stubborn tool on eco mode. If you're using this as a normal vacuum and you're using it just in that medium mid mode, it has 20 minutes of runtime. That is very common. I have found that with most stick vacuums that they make a much higher promise, but our regular use, or my regular use, is usually around 20 minutes of time, and this is why. So just keep this in mind. I think this is key for setting accurate expectations about these vacuums. Now, I'm really excited to put this to the test, but I do want to point out that I wish this had a place to connect these accessories. I really like that when there is a base for the whole stick vacuum. And even if you do install this on the wall, it doesn't have places for the accessories. So it's one con, as I definitely want these accessories close by, as these are really, really nice accessories. But it all going together as one piece is really nice. As you can see, it can sit upright beautifully. Let's put this to the test. Now for my first test, I'm doing it on hardwood floors. I have larger green tea bits and hemp seed here, and I'm just gonna vacuum it on medium and go straight across it one time. So I'm gonna turn it on, go to level 2, and go right through. And as you can see, it perfectly vacuumed right through, though I'm going to guess that some of it got pushed to the front of the vacuum, which it did. That's not actually surprising since those were such large clumps, just something to be aware of, and that's why you normally go back and forth with a vacuum. But I'm quite impressed. That did a great job on hardwood floors. Okay, now we're on medium pile carpet, same mess. Gonna do medium again. I gotta say that green light is so much fun. It just makes me want to vacuum everything. So let me do it all real quick. And you can see how in just a moment, I got so much cat hair as well. Yes, that means my carpet was really dirty, which is a little embarrassing. I haven't cleaned this room for a little bit, but with 3 rag dolls and a family, it gets dirty really fast. So that's impressive. And I am really impressed with this vacuum overall. I obviously need to do one more test and check it out on some upholstery. Now for cleaning the couch, I'm going to use this brush, and I'm actually unsure if it's better to have the bristles on it or not. I'm leaning towards not, so I'm going to just use this element right here and see how it goes. That worked beautifully. I'd say the only issue I ran into is that a few of the pieces actually sat on top of the plastic, but they were very easy to clean up. It pulled up everything and grabbed the hair as well. I am really impressed with this LEVOIT VortexIQ. I think it's a really, really impressive vacuum with fantastic suction, all the smarts I want to see, and I think you're going to love it just as much as I do.